Add your text in project. In Effects panel, add Crop and Transform on your text in Timeline. Change shutter angle to 360. Change vertical position to 640 and keyframe it. Go 1 second forward and reset vertical position. Right-click on keyframes and ease in and ease out. Drag the right handle to the left and drag left handle to up to make it smoother. Change opacity to 0 and keyframe it. Go forward and set a keyframe a few frames before position keyframe and reset keyframe. Ease in and ease out opacity keyframes. To make it smoother, drag left and right handle close together. Duplicate your text layer by how many words it has. Here we have 3 words. Arrange it with small distance just like I do. Now for each layer, go on Crop effect that you added at first and separate words one by one. To make it better, nest all word layers, now add another transform effect on the nest that you made just before. Change shutter angle to 360. Keyframe vertical position on 540. Few frames go forward and keyframe vertical position on 440. Keyframe opacity on 100. Few frames go forward just before position, keyframe, and change opacity to 0. Ease in and ease out both position and opacity keyframes to make it smoother. Close keyframe handles